So this project is going to be very similar to the last project, except this project, the t-shirt's slightly different, and I found a piece of cloth that ends up being not faded, so it should make a nice addition to my next sails. And like I say, it's really lovely cloth, and the color of the t-shirt goes so nicely with it, and it's really a comfy dress. I love the one I just made myself, so I thought I'd make one to put up on eBay. Of course, the first step will be making the casing, which is just taking the elastic, putting it through the both sides so that it makes a casing for it, sewing it down a bit, and then sewing the skirt all together so that the seam will be in the back. And that's the super simple way to do even a skirt if I just want to make a skirt out of this, for example. So my next step is to put the elastic through the casing, and we all know the old cut the right size elastic for around your waist with a little bit of snugness, not tight, and use a safety pin to bring the elastic all the way through. And then it's just a matter of kind of sewing like a hem under the elastic, and you've got the lovely skirt part, and then you just put it together with however much of the t-shirt you want to have before you end up with the skirt. So I folded the shirt in half, and I first had tried it on and pinned it about where I wanted the seam to be against the skirt, and then you give yourself a little bit more room because you got to do the sewing. And then I got out my handy chalk and my handy ruler, and I'm going to draw a line on where I want to cut. And after having pinned everything kind of together so that it's even, that should make the cut straight across. So here's my nice straight line, which I'm going to use to cut it across and make it a nice even cut. And then I can start putting the skirt onto the top. So this one's a little bit different because it's got a V-neck. I wasn't fond of the V-neck like that, so I decided to take a little bit of lace, and if you measure it carefully and try to center it well, then you have a lovely accent on the top. Then I can put it together with the skirt and get a really lovely looking dress out of it. So I've got the top and bottom sewn together and the lace at the top in, and I decided to make some lovely little lacy pockets, and I like the idea of putting a butterfly in it to just kind of make it look like it comes down with a button, but it's more decorative than functional. And I just need to sew on the pockets and sew on the bottom lacing, and I believe we have a project. So this will be a nice comfy lovely one. I know the other one I made, I really enjoy it, and I will be putting this up for sale at some point. So this is my new project. I put a little bit of lace up here at the neckline just to add a little bit, and the skirt and the t-shirt are at really nice locations on my hips. I made some pockets with some faux flaps, and of course I added a little lace at the bottom, and it makes a really comfortable, nice spring summer type dress. And so if I do a turnaround, you can see that this is my project for Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Happy Valentine's Day.